So let's start with the question. We have here the integration of 1 by 4 sine square x minus 9 cos square x. Now in the first step, divide both the numerator and denominator with 1 by cos square x. Now in the numerator, the 1 by cos square x will change into sec square x, and in the denominator 4 sine square x by cos square x will change into 4 tan square x, and minus 9 cos square x by cos square x. So here cos square x will be cut out and 9 will remain as it is. In the next step, let tan x equals to t. Therefore the derivative of tan x will be sec square x. Therefore sec square x dx equals to dt. Now change the values, so the new equation will be integration of dt by 4t square minus 9. So we can write it as integration of dt by 2t whole square minus 3 square. So here a will be 3 and b will be 2 according to the formula. So we have 1 by 2ab log of bx minus a by bx plus a plus c. After putting the values in the formula, we will have 1 by 12 log of 2t minus 3 by 2t plus 3 plus c. Now put the value of t in the equation, so we will get 1 by 12 log of 2 tan x minus 3 by 2 tan x plus 3 plus c.